We've showcased a lot of amazing devices on this channel, but today's video takes things a step further. While modern tech can be quite impressive, some products are on another level. Welcome to Future Tech. In this video, we will take a look at 8 new gadgets and inventions for 2020 that are on another level. Before we begin, don't forget to click that like button and hit the notification bell to keep up to date with all of our future uploads. Eight, Matternet Station. Matternet is an all-new technology that has posed itself to be the United States' first drone-powered airline. The company has partnered with UPS and gained full approval from the FAA to begin the nation's first large-scale operation of deliveries that take place via drone. Their main goal for the moment is to deliver goods and products to hospitals, since these establishments are some of UPS's largest customers and require lots of manpower and time to fulfill orders. Matternet can resolve this issue by making deliveries fully automated and dropped off via drones that do not require human operation. This will free up many company assets and allow deliveries to arrive much sooner than they would have if they were transported by an on-ground vehicle. For the moment, this technology is still in its infancy stages, as drones are unable to carry packages that weigh more than a few pounds. However, Matternet is hard at work to determine many different means of delivering large packages, including building stronger drones that can handle deliveries of all shapes, sizes, and weights. Considering the recent political climate around the world concerning the various medical illnesses that have plagued nearly every country in the world, there has never been a better time for this sort of technology. Not only will this allow hospitals to receive their packages much sooner, but this could also help to save lives by not exposing drivers to dangerous illnesses, or exposing hospital workers to bacteria and germs that may appear on packages after they have been transmitted through dozens of different trucks and factories. 7. ClickBot. ClickBot is an all-new educational robot that has recently received over $800,000 in public funding, while only requesting an initial $25,000 investment from backers. ClickBot is supposed to be your family's newest friend, in addition to the household. The robot is able to think, respond, and react in a very natural way that can mimic that of your common household pets or other humans. He can listen to you and make educated decisions on how to proceed, even when introduced to complicated situations. He's also able to teach your young children about many different things. The included app will teach your child how to transform ClickBot into various different forms, granting him a limitless list of possibilities. He can walk, crawl, race, draw, and even dance. ClickBot gives your child and family the skills they need to succeed in everyday life, while also learning from your reactions, requests, and several integrated online resources. 6. USC Smart Camera Door Lock. The USC Smart Camera Door Lock is an all-new technology that controls various locks within your home or business by scanning your face and unlocking the door accordingly. This will allow many members of your family to scan their face into the device's memory and allow them entry to your home without ever having to turn a key or enter a passcode. These would make excellent additions to many work environments, as workers can have their faces logged into the database and gain entry into various parts of the building without needing to hand out expensive keys or reveal sensitive passwords. This would be perfect for an environment in which workers need constant and immediate access to private rooms or hallways. Simply approach the door and it will automatically unlock for an employee, but remain locked for anyone else passing by, such as a customer or an employee with a lower clearance level. You can even unlock your door remotely through the app, so if you are expecting an important package, you can allow your postal worker to enter your home and leave the package indoors. Pricing is currently unavailable for these locks, but we don't imagine they will be cheap. However, you can't put a price on security. Five, Monster X. Monster X is the future of all portable power stations. This is a portable power bank that is the size of a large car battery. but allows up to 1,287 watt-hours of power, as well as 2,000 watt AC output ports. You can power several large devices with this product, making it ideal for large family gatherings or construction crews who need to power their tools without access to an electricity source. This power bank claims to have enough output to be able to charge full-size electric car and even offers solar power capabilities to regenerate any lost power. The Monster X can charge up to 11 devices at a time and comes with a lifetime warranty to ensure that your product is covered no matter what sort of damage or defects you may run into. A solar power and battery bundle starts at just $799 on Indiegogo, but this price won't last long. This is a 48% discount from the retail price, which is estimated to be $1,538. 4. AO Air. AO Air is a device that we could all use right now, given the frequency and severity of severe illness outbreaks across the world. AO Air is a smart mask that claims to offer up to 50 times better filtration abilities than regular masks. The company claims that the mask is an alternative to a standard N95 mask, with an independent lab allegedly confirming that the technology is legitimate and this mask truly does filter out nearly all contaminants. AO Air can protect you from up to 98% of contaminants and will help filter out 5 times more particles than an N95 mask. There is no seal around the mouth of the mask, so you do not have to struggle to breathe or worry about fogging your glasses or building condensation in the mask itself. A Bluetooth module helps to monitor your air quality to ensure that you are informed about the air you are breathing. Pre-orders are available now and the masks cost just $70 each. Three, Phone Soap Pro. Phone Soap Pro is an all-new product that appeared on Shark Tank several years ago. The new Pro version claims to kill 99.99% of bacteria on your phone, credit cards, pens, and other devices in just 5 minutes. Simply place your phone and other belongings inside, and the device will begin disinfecting them without the need of harsh chemicals. The product uses patented light technology that breaks down bacteria and kills it without needing to use alcohol or any other cleaning agent. The new Pro model will be available on May 18th of 2020, but pre-orders are available now online for just $119. Two, Sleeprock. Sleeprock is a device that many viewers are unlikely to take seriously, but the technology allegedly works and takes its roots from the prehistoric days, when humans would live in caves or other makeshift homes. Sleeprock is a device that helps to settle your restless thoughts and give you something to occupy your mind while you fall asleep. The product is perfectly weighted and warms as you sleep. Its texture claims to assist in reaching faster, deeper forms of sleep more often. The company claims that our ancestors used to sleep while clutching rocks or weapons, so that if any predatory animals came nearby, they would be able to defend themselves without hesitation. This thought pattern has supposedly embedded itself into our DNA hundreds of years later, meaning that we are bound to sleep more soundly if we are clutching something in our hands. The rock is available on Kickstarter for just $39, and the company plans to launch and ship it in early December. 1. KeyHub. KeyHub is a new technology from Hong Kong that aims to replace your current computer keyboard with a more realistic modern version. The KeyHub is loaded with countless inputs, including USB, micro SD slots, HDMI, and USB-C. The keyboard is designed to enhance your gaming experience and usability of modern computers, considering that most computers have major issues with having too few input options. This product has been receiving incredibly great reviews from websites for several months now, but it doesn't expect to ship until June of 2020. The price tag of $109 is a bit expensive for a keyboard, but considering there are no other similar products on the market, this keyboard is in a class of its own. Scissor-style switches give this keyboard a natural laptop-style feel, and a backlight ensures that it can be used any time of the day.